You are changing the spectrum of your scope because your scope is limitless and you're just ascending it more and more. Hello, Virgo. Welcome, new viewers, cross watchers, and my lovely, lovely Moonians. This is a monthly reading for Jan 2021. We will be looking into love and anything else that the Spirit has for us, alright? So, we have honesty and communication, courage and bravery coming in, standing in your power, which is essential, but also being honest to yourself also about a particular situation. At the end of Jan, 30th of Jan, we have Mercury retrograde starting up. So, like miscommunication, which may happen. So, just be aware of it and don't jump into conclusions, especially if you don't have all the data. And also, if you're sending out emails and all of that, just be aware of what you're just double check is also coming in. But feel like some kind of a truth which will set you free. Are you honestly pursuing your dreams? That kind of a thing which is coming in. With the purple, fire, everything, amethyst energy which is coming through, ascension could also be coming in. But let's look into what the romance angels have for us. Thank you. We have forgiving and learning coming in. As you release and heal the past, you experience more love in your present moments. Let go of the past. We have entered a new decade, so let go of the weight. Let go of the haunts of the past. All right, that's just a channel thing which is coming in. These are many cards. Passion, which will be reignited. We need to have heart-to-heart conversations with ourselves, starting with ourselves, and let go of the impatience which is coming in. Something is brewing very beautifully for you. So do what is at hand, the tasks at hand. Let's not focus on the lack, but all that you can gain, you have gained. The abundance you have, be grateful for that, is also coming in. But yes, forgiving starts from within, is also coming through. Learn from the past, let go of the regrets, guilt. We have stay optimistic about your love life. Positive thinking and faith will bring you romance. Let go of the anxiety, let go of the fear. Thank you. We have healing family issues, calling in your soulmate. You deserve love coming through. Quite a few cards which have come out. Um, that, yeah, I feel like healing does take time, so don't worry about it. Understand the lesson before you can call in your soulmate. The first lesson is about your self-worth, loving yourself, knowing that you deserve love, that you are lovable. Don't doubt any kind of doubt, or even in terms of, could be in order to pursue your love interest, there are certain things that you have to clear with your family is also coming through. But healing on both sides is coming in. Someone is learning the lesson of finding it safe to open to love once again, or their own self-worth journey that someone may be in. And over here it is more like letting go of the past, becoming aware of the present, and thinking about the future optimistically. Letting go of the grasps of certain things, whether it is a past thing or right now, any kind of form of love which is turning into a grudge needs to be gone, is coming through. Do what makes you happy for both coming in. Just talk to each other when you both are emotionally calm, also. Don't do it impulsively. We have let your friends help you. Worth waiting for. Divine timing is at work in your love life. Triple three, if you are seeing triple three, then it could be something, certain kind of a surprise which will be like a very welcome surprise which may be coming in, whether it is you surprising them surprising you, kind of a thing. But both in like hermit mode right now, getting their things cleared up in themselves is the energy coming in. Whether you're single or in a relationship, I don't know, this is coming in. This is a channel thing which is coming through. Yeah. What kind of healing? Anything about the healing part? We have the Hermit coming in reverse, retreating, not finding, kind of feeling lost. Someone both feeling a little lost, but even if it's a relationship which has had its separation period, I feel you both are coming out of your shells, kind of a thing, coming out of your walks of life, different walks of life, wanting to have a honest honest conversation with each other. Someone who always felt he or she or they is a provider. It was difficult for them to receive love. And there is this essence of whether or not this works, I know a soulmate will enter or another soulmate will enter, because I know what I deserve. I can see it clearly now. I know with the growth I've undergone, it's as simple as if it feels good, it is good for you, without any deception or facade, because you feel very truly. Anything else? You are on someone's mind a lot. Someone really wants to speak to you. They realized that they couldn't receive love, or they were so guarded because they had some wounds from the past, or they were replaying the kind of equation they saw in their parents, between their parents. Scorpio, death card, like certain kind of ending which leads to a beginning, whether it is in terms of, if this is someone who drifted out of your life, I feel they are more than likely wanting to travel back, make things work, but they are a little hesitant because of the way things ended last time between you two. I don't know. Their dreams were attached to you, and things can change if you will it. That is what is coming through. All right. Any kind of energy update for us, please, to make things clear? All right. So we have beautiful cards coming in. Seven chakra, Archangel Uriel coming in with crown chakra over here. Someone who's really looking up to you, like maybe someone walking away, or two people drifting apart, or just in partnership also, which has been going on very smoothly, but with time, or time apart also, it doesn't matter. With time, the time matters. They respect you highly, they are inspired by you to make healthier choices, to let go of overthinking and become clear, have a honest discussion, because blossoming abundance coming in is like there's someone out there, I don't know, there, like it's like 5% energy which is coming in. For some people out there, this is a story which hasn't ended yet. It was, the past was a phase. There are many more phases which will be coming in, beautiful ones, because they can see abundance with you. Maybe the way they're feeling may come in as a big surprise, could also be there, but somewhere down the line, you know, you are um, hoping for the best, but you know that it is a win-win situation happens with this person or the next one, because the next may be a soulmate for me, so it's a win-win situation for some people out there. But waiting, if you're waiting, actively wait, which is coming through. Listen to your intuition. Is it is being channeled, the messages through your dreams, I'm floating, but messages through your dreams may be very significant indicators, or you may need to decipher what is your subconscious trying to tell you. Those are direct messages coming from the divine. I'm just being asked to say this to you because we have clear chords over here, and it's really, really good for connecting with the source, bringing in light, cleansing spaces, and even other crystals and everything. Just putting it out there. All right, let's look into what are the messages coming in from this person if they had to say something. I can't wait to hold you kiss you coming through. Do you even see me? This is for those who are in separation of some kind, whether it is distance. I feel very passionately for you, is the energy which is coming in. But do you even consider me, or have you completely moved on? I have a strong need to be in control, and this may have been a limitation. The same thing, implementing what they'd seen in between their parents. So that kind of a thing which is coming through. That's the form of love they knew, the curtailed version of it, or not trusting, because like trusting that the other person will hurt you, so remain guarded and cool. But they still have like feelings growing perhaps for you. I hope someday the timing will be right. And we had divine timing is at work. No too many. Just two, three more, please. Yikes. You. I'm not here to hurt you coming through, and I miss your gentle touch coming in. This person really, really misses you. Misses being physically present. That kind of a thing is coming in. This person does want to meet you. We have easier to hide under the masks, but now I'm stuck. They put in certain kind of facades, and eventually they realize that this is not really the way I am, but I really truly love this person, and there are no inhibitions which are coming in. But I hid myself in so many ways, or even guarded myself in so many ways, that now I'm stuck. I don't know how to go forward. I wasn't in the right mind. Love role model. Oh my god. What a roller coaster. Love role model, or means like they didn't really have that great love models, love role models growing up. I wish I was ready then to indulge in this partnership with you, because each and every day I'm growing very fond of you. Have I really ruined it so much? I wish I knew better that time. I was too much in my head. I was trying to look at things too logically when all you made me feel was loved. But irrespective, there's like particular channeled energies which are coming in, so I'm just indulging into them. But irrespective, this person does see you as marriage. I didn't want to say material, but they would like to get married to you. They can see you in the future is also coming through. You could be getting married to this person, so they may be just anxious to make things everything perfect and everything. They may be feeling more sensitive. You taught them a lot. So whether it is this person in your life or someone from your past, this person has grown. They may still have more to learn, but somewhere down the line in the past they had a few issues. So they just got stuck in that kind of a thing is coming in, almost like I was running from you because I found it hard to love myself that time. Someone who was confused, perhaps, or a little anxious, but coming into calmer waters, that kind of a thing, and really hoping that it works with you. They see you as a star. Thank you. We have outrageous openness. Dear love, open to me. Dear love, open me to your will. Release me from my attachments. Surprise and delight me with your plan. You know what's needed, and I am open to receive. Wow. Open your mind coming in for some people, but you are opening a portal, listening to your intuition, doing the healing, releasing, because you're making space for grander things to enter your life. and you're getting enlightened, or there's certain kind of attention coming on to you, some kind of recognition, or just getting enlightened by the divine light. That kind of a thing is also coming in, because light worker energy is coming through for some reason. Be open to receiving love. I love, I am loved, I am love. Invite help coming through. I think this is Green Tara Devi. So I feel like this is saying, like, very quickly certain kind of obstacles. If you are undergoing any kind of obstacle in terms of pursuing your dreams, getting clarity about when will abundance come, it just feels like right now you're being guided to keep doing what you're doing career wise. Results will be coming in very very soon, but all that is required is for you to be so motivated, or how do I say it, enjoy the journey of working towards achieving your dreams. Success will follow, that is coming through. Very soon is also coming in, blossoming abundance. The fruitions will be coming in, rewards will be coming through, opportunities will be knocking the door. Go for it is the energy which is coming through. Any kind of ascended master message for Virgos. Wow. What is it today? So we have Archangel Michael coming through, trusting heaven coming in. You are safe. Angels, stand close. Surrender your concerns and allow a miracle to occur coming through. Anything that has ended was for your good. Exits, like one door closes, another one opens, the win-win situation which is coming through. As you're ascending, as you're growing, evolving, you are changing the spectrum of your scope, because your scope is limitless and you're just ascending it more and more coming through. We have Krishna, Lord Krishna coming through. Embrace your divine feminine energy, value yourself highly with the peacock feather over there. Trust your spiritual guidance. Your commitment has been recognized. The same thing, your prayers and affirmations and so excited. Your prayers, affirmations, and visualizations help you bring together, help your dreams come true. You are loved unconditionally. Wow, we have Ganesh ji also coming in. Wow. Very, very transformative, powerful changes which are happening for your good. Abundance has come in twice. Infinite abundance, blossoming abundance. Wow. Wow. Just focus on all the sources which are so abundantly available, even like the love coming from your parents or your loved ones, all of that also, and see how you start attracting the same energy, and validate all that you're feeling. If you can't handle this kind of a drama, then let it be. All right, just pause it for some time. There's such great things happening in your life. Open up, see the view, it's wider this time. That is the energy which is coming in. Such a beautiful time. You may like to chant Om Gam Ganapate Namaha if you want. Beautiful time ahead. There are transformations which are happening. There are tests which are happening, because at the end, there's such great rewards awaiting you. Financial windfall also could be there coming in. Very abundant time. The universe is going to surprise you. There are certain things, we had divine timing also at work. There are certain things being done. The universe is working behind the wings, and the show is about to begin, is coming through. That is the energy which is coming in. Slowly spreading your wings coming through. Obstacles are being removed. Spiritual support and connections are increasing. Anything that you want to initiate, will be successful. Do the planning, sow new seeds. Heart chakra energy coming in, throat chakra energy coming through, and with Michael coming in, root chakra also. Whatever brings you stability, do that. The spirit of courage has been instilled in you, and now's the time that you get prepared to come forward and shine, to come forward and tap into different avenues. Very rewarding time which will be coming in, but all this is saying is that speak your truth, do it with kindness, compassionately, believe in yourself because such beautiful blessings are coming your way. Pursue a passion of yours. There's so much universal support coming in. You are blessed. Beautiful time ahead. So let bygones be bygones. Let's focus on what would we like to create and move forward, overcoming, navigating through the challenges towards our highest potential because you're tapping into greatness. And this is where, like, certain kind of key decisions that you make set in, you can manifest anything in your life basically is coming through. And for that manifestation to happen, certain kind of transformations which will be very essential in order to properly make space to compensate for all the goodness which is entering your life. Remember that, all right? So until next time, love, light, abundance to you all. Do let me know if this resonated with you. It will be great to hit the like if you enjoyed this reading and share it with your loved ones if you find this useful for them. And thank you so much for being part of the Moonian family, for being part of this journey. And subscribe if you haven't already. Apart from that, kudos to the progress you've made. Have strength, have faith. Until next time, Om Namah Shivaya. Keep that vibe high, my lovely Moonians. Happy New Year.